Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several days ago, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And that's also essentially why I want to do the chart again, because the price has once again approached, which you can see here just to offer a little bit of perspective. I mean, this is essentially, all-time lows, but the price is now approaching a very interesting level, interesting for nothing complicated other than the fact that the last time the price got right down here around 1520, the price got a very nice bounce from that area. So from an overall storybook perspective, if you care about more so the bigger picture of things, then just realize that 1520 is a level that you would want to see hold because as I just showed from when I scrunched up the chart, if the price does not hold above 1520, well, that's just implying that the price is now putting in lows that all-time lows, and that's just not a good sign from the big picture perspective from a bullish standpoint. Now, if you're short or whatever, then you want to see 1520 get absolutely destroyed. But assuming you care about things from the long side of things, then from the the grand scheme of it all, 1520 is very important. Now, from more of a trading standpoint, 1520 is very interesting because the last time, like I said, I get down there, a very nice bounce happened. And once again, the price is getting and starting to flirt right here around that area. Now, don't get me wrong though, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time the price had a nice bounce up from there, I'm not saying that if it goes down to 1520-ish, then for sure another nice bounce is going to happen. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But it's at least rational to think, right? I mean, if the price had never, ever bounced off of 1520 and there was no track record of it bouncing off 1520, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, there could be a bounce off 1520, you would be totally justified to say, why would you say that? That doesn't make any sense. Where's 1520 coming from? But in this situation, it has actually bounced off it before. So again, a guarantee, no, but it's at least a rational thought and a rational kind of trade plan to have. Now, as far as if this does get a bounce, the key level of resistance to watch is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50 period moving average, currently valued at 1607, but keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself downwards, and therefore that value over there is going to move around and change. But overall, definitely an interesting setup going forward. But again, from the grand scheme of it all, definitely don't want to see the price be going down below 1520 because that would be a big breakdown. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.